Nice save, Goggles.
What is that stuff?
It's a new instant pillow spray I created.
Dude, now you can take a nap after every wipeout.
Yeah, but it's a little difficult getting the pillow back into the can.
Special delivery of Rocky Road for Capricorn.
I'm a Gemini, but I love Rocky Road.
Better eat it. Quick, it self-destructs in 5 minutes.
That's weird. Since when do ice cream trucks make deliveries?
Or use that many air quotes.
We should probably figure out who this package is really for. But I guess a quick peek wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, right. I mean, a peek wouldn't really hurt, huh?
Yeah, couldn't hurt. If that's got ice cream inside, I bet it tastes terrible.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That looks like spy gear from a movie.
Agent Capricorn, the Queen and Prince of Moronico are in danger of being kidnapped by the notorious counteragents known as Number 1 and Number 2. The Queen and Prince will be arriving at the Sprawl City Grand Hotel tomorrow at noon. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to stop the kidnapping. This message will self-destruct in 3, 2, 1. No, wait. In 5, 4. No, wait. In 10, 9. Hey, which countdown timer did we use on this?
Quick, put the ashes in a box and hope no one notices.
But the Prince and Queen of Moronico are in danger.
Right, and we have to alert the proper authorities.
Come on, Goggles. With all this cool spy stuff, we are the proper authorities. Guys, we have no clue who this Agent Capricorn is. It's up to us to save the Queen and Prince of Moronico.
I was afraid you were gonna say that.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh! You can climb anything with these things.
They appear to be made of a very adhesive polyvinyl.
Robert!
Robert!
Quick, invisibility cloaks. I can't see myself.
Me either.
Hi, Mom.
Robert, it's the end of the week and you still haven't finished your chores.
Which ones are left?
All of them. I want them done before you leave the house.
There must be something in all these cool spy gadgets that can help me do my chores.
Pen says warp speed. What else do we need to know?
I'd be careful with that if I were... Building a skate ramp is one of your chores?
No, but we had some extra time to kill, so what the heck? We've got ourselves a queen and prince to save, so get ready for a spy montage.
What's happening?
It's a title sequence. Just do something cool.
Oh. So, I'll just go now.
So that's the hotel the royal family is staying at?
Affirmative, Agent Meatbag. Agent WizKid, you got an ETA on the target?
I've got visual confirmation on the limo. The Eagle has landed.
Huh?
An eagle. It just landed in a... Oh, never mind.
Chickens? The young prince's limousine sick.
Rubbing the royal tum-tum should do the trick, sire.
Ooh, that's the last time I eat airplane caviar.
Bogey's at 9 o'clock. It's number 1 and number 2.
Speaking of number 1, I'll be right back.
We've got to get to the royal suite before the prince and the queen are kidnapped. Agent Meatbag, zipline gun. That's the sonic de-leafing cannon.
Sorry, I was a little distracted.
We've been spotted.
Try this. And here's the instruction manual.
No time.
Oh! Peasants!
We're secret agents, and we're here to help.
Secret agent peasants! Chickens!
Dude, did you not just hear the words coming out of Agent Supernova's mouth? We're here to help you.
And we're here to kidnap you.
Really? That's the best you could come up with? Why not tell them we're gonna hold them for royal ransom, too? Or maybe just give out the address where we'll be keeping them.
Stop criticizing me. It makes me look like a bad villain.
Unhand me! I refuse to be kidnapped by someone not wearing a cummerbund!
There's gotta be something in here to get us out of a net.
I got this.
This is where your ride ends.
That's so cliche!
Agent Supernova, use your magnetic Gravo suit.
Right, the Gravo suit. Queen, Prince, we're here to rescue you.
If you really wanted to rescue us, you'd be flying first class.
Ooh, that's the last time I eat kidnapper caviar.
We're too heavy, dude. Oh, man. Don't tell me we've got some cheap, low-rent Gravo suit.
Thank you for saving us, but next time, do find an instant pillow made of silk.
Robert, you can play with your royal friends later. You never cleaned your room.
Dude saves the royal family, and he's still gotta clean his room? That's harsh.
The royal family of Moronico is forever in your debt. By royal decree, you shall have our aid to accomplish this labor.
Hey, guys, I really appreciate it. My mom will never let me out of here if I don't finish this. What's with you guys and holes in ceilings?
Nice try, Agent Capricorn. You think disguising yourself as a kid could fool us?
Well, it didn't.
You're very good at stating the obvious.
First of all, I'm Agent Supernova, not Capricorn, and there is no way you're bagging the royal family on my watch.
Not so fast!
No fair. You guys always get the coolest weapons.
Thank you. The world owes you a debt of gratitude, even though you opened a package clearly addressed to me.
Sorry, sir. We just wanted a peek.
It's all good in the end, Agent Supernova. Keep it. If you ever need help, just call for Agent Capricorn. I haven't even left. What could you possibly need my help with?
Hello, I don't even want to ask.
I think we're good here. We're out of here, fellas.
Thank you all. Whoever you are, you will be rewarded handsomely for your assistance.
No need for a reward, your queenness. We're just glad to help. Then again, every little bit helps.
I'm proud of you, Rob. Nice job finishing all your chores.
Piece of cake, Mom. Although I did have a little help from my friends. Wild runners, prepare to be amazed by my ultimate Lil Rob of a kind band. You shall not pass.
The emo Chris gets in your way, you jump in a tree and come out with a nest on your head trick. Awesome! No one's done that before.
Not exactly what I was going for, but still unprecedented.
Fear not, my armless, legless, fuzzy brother. I have saved you from the big squish.
Dude, that's a spitting ninny caterpillar. It's poisonous. He's crazy.
This gentle little snowflake of nature's love? Impossible. I'm writing a very unflattering haiku about you.
If it isn't little Scob and the Wild Losers, shout out, say yo to my posse, peeps. We're not his posse, we're
Sapling Scouts, Sapling Scouts,
let's grow. With water and dirt and lots of hugs, a little seed will sprout into a Sapling Scout. Yay! Yay!
Why'd you join the Scouts, Stubford? Hardly seems like your thing.
I already told you, they're my posse. No, we're not. And we're heading into the no-loser zone to go on an overnight camping trip to the Ramplands.
Whoa, I've dreamed of skating the Ramplands since I was Lil Rob.
Well, dreams don't come true for you, little Scob. The trail to the Ramplands is so dangerous, only experienced Sapling Scout troops with knowledgeable guides can go, and not losers like you. Our Scoutmaster is super smart.
Greetings, Sappy Scouts. I'm your new Scout Mister. Ready to see some naturey stuff?
Daddy, what happened to our regular Scoutmaster, Mr. Scoutenstein?
He went on a condor watching trip and never came back.
Now, Scouts, when around condors, you must remember to never make this sound.
So I volunteered out of the kindness of somebody else's heart. And because my wife is forcing me to spend quality time with my son. By the way, raise your hand if that's you. I knew it was you the whole time. Honest.
You know, the Grinders would make great Sapling Scouts, Mr. Huxterball. We have mad skills. Skills with a Z skills, not the ordinary skills with an S kind.
You have to pass rad hard tests to become a Sapling Scout. A loser like you can never do it.
Test number 1. Can you do this? You're in!
Daddy, no! You can't let them come! They'll ruin everything!
It'll be fun! Besides, I need someone to carry my backpack. Into the limo, Scouts! Ramplands won't wait! Well, looks like the Ramplands will just have to wait.
We could walk on the trail instead.
Everybody follow the Brainiac. I gotta take this. Sell! Buy! Sell!
Are you guys stoked to skate the Ramplands?
We don't skate. It's too wildy.
We're just here for the I survived the life-threatening hike to the Ramplands and all I got was this stupid badge. We like badges!
You sure you know where you're going, Mr. Huxterball?
Do I? Look, Scouts, those are rare pine tree piñatas full of pine tree candy.
Candy! Ow! Candy hurts!
Don't worry. I know what to do. Panic!
I think we're safe in here, man.
Shh!
expert campfire maker. Thanks to Huxtable Industries' new Pie-Pad Campfire app for all your Pie-Pad campfire needs.
Toast, marshmallow, toast!
Hang on, the fire's ringing. Buy, cheap, steal, steal, cheap, buy!
I got the real campfire hooked up. All you need is dental floss, a magnet, and a turnip.
Quite impressive, JJ.
I know stuff, man. Crazy, crazy stuff.
Guys, I just realized. Do you know where we are? This is the haunted forest of the Ramplands. No, I'm serious. They say there's a ghost that haunts these woods, and he comes in the night looking for lost scouts.
You hear that? He's coming for us, man!
It's him. It's the dog hand ghost. Oh, you nailed it, puppy. Did you see their faces?
I hope they packed extra underwear.
Dude, that is so not cool. I only packed one pair.
A little help here.
What say ye to some campfire poetry? I've got a poem called The Life and Times of Jasper Elfin Schmunkenfoder of the mysterious unicorn tribe.
Ooh, I'm tired.
Where does the time go?
Bedtime.
Jasper Elfin Schmunkenfoder, flying through the land and bringing justice. He's the kick-butt prince of the unicorn.
Good morning, Saps. Today we
Go to the Ramplands. Finally.
Don't make me laugh, little scob. Me and my posse.
We're not his posse.
Won't go anywhere near the Ramplands without a Sapling Scout safety drill.
Ramplands are pretty dangerous.
Not if you know how to skate like a wild grinder.
will practice our water safety in this large but very safe puddle.
You know, there's a lot of geysers in this area. We really should be careful.
We appear to be safe on the side of this nice warm hollow mountain.
We'll stay straight, Mr. Scoutmaster, and then we'll get near-death experience badges.
We're doomed, doomed, doomed. Doing a hot ouchie blast right down the thing.
Mr. Huxtable, sir, get a grip. I need you to get it together. I need you to help me negotiate a hostile takeover over the forest with this pine cone. Can you do that for me, sir? We can do this together.
Hostile takeover? I can do that. Buy, sell, buy, sell, lie, cheat, steal.
The rest of you, do exactly what I say if you want to live. Follow that, cut there, spin here, twist it, I said twist it, everything, throw that. Y'all can thank me later. Okay, y'all can thank me now.
That was legendary, JJ. Nothing can stop the wild grinders.
Except the giant chasm! Way to save us, JJ! Note to self, think of insulting version of the name JJ.
What do we do now, Mr. Scoutmaster?
Fine, keep the pine tree pinatas, but the butterflies are mine.
Forget it. He's gone.
I know what to do. And you laughed at me when I took that giant skateboard carving class.
I stand corrected.
Don't worry, Sapling. You're gonna love skating. Too long in the You all good, Sapling?
No! Better than good! I feel so alive! Whoa!
We did it! We skated the Ramplands!
And now you get your badges, saplings.
Badges? We don't need no stinking badges.
They're weighing us down, man! We want to catch more air next time we shred the land! Woohoo! We have some badges for you! Best Scoutmaster?
And best skate master. What? I'm a better skater than Lil Scob. Watch this. Look at me. I'm flying.
That was a pretty impressive move.
Guys, we gotta find a way to save stuff first. I got nothing.
Me neither.